First, we click the Tapo apps and then we click sign out. Then key in your own email address. Example, Jackson 00 at outlook.com. Then key in your own password. QEZ9900. Then confirm your password. Key in one more time your password. Make sure your two password is same. And then unsubscribe the TP Link newsletter. Then click sign out. Then you can go to your own email to activate and log in your TP account. Same, go to inbox, then click others, click TP Link, and then click to finish registration. Activation success. So you can go back your TP Link, your Tapo apps, and click activate and log in. Then you can key in your own password and log in. Log in. We are successful. Create a new account for Tapo apps.